The auto approve feature lets you grant Roo Code permission to perform specific actions automatically. This gives you full control over what gets approved instantly and what still requires your manual review. Let's get started. You can access the auto approve settings directly from the main Roo Code window. Once you enable it, you'll see a list of toggles for different actions. Let's quickly go through what each one does. Read allows Roo to read files in your codebase without asking for permission each time. Write grants Roo permission to create and edit files. Browser lets Roo perform browser actions automatically. Retry automatically retries any API requests that fail. MCP. If you use MCPs, this will run those commands automatically. Mode allows Roo to intelligently switch between the different modes you have set up. Subtasks lets Roo create and complete subtasks on its own. Execute. This is a powerful one. It allows Roo to run command line commands automatically. Question. When Roo asks a multiple choice question, this setting will automatically select the first suggested option. And finally, to do. This will automatically update your to-do list without needing your approval. Now, these toggles offer quick, high-level control. For more granular settings, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the Auto Approve pop-up. This takes you to the Auto Approve settings page, where you can really customize your experience. For file access, you can specify whether the read and write tools can access files outside of your workspace or modify protected files. You can also control timing. Set the delay before a failed request is retried, or configure how long Roo waits before automatically answering a question. For the execute setting, you have even more control. You can create a whitelist of commands that Roo is always allowed to run automatically. Conversely, you can create a blacklist of commands that Roo is never allowed to run without your explicit approval. To prevent unintended usage, you can also set safeguards. Configure a maximum request count or a maximum cost threshold. If Roo reaches either of these limits, it will pause and ask for your approval before continuing. And remember, back in the main pop-up, you can use the master toggle to quickly enable or disable all your auto-approve settings with a single click. Perfect for when you need to switch between automated and manual modes during your coding sessions. And that's a look at the auto-approve settings in Roo Code. We hope this helps you create a more efficient and automated coding workflow. Thanks for watching.